Hey guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth, and welcome back to my channel. Do I have a big ego? Well, today I'm giving myself a big ego. Yes, that's right, we are talking about Tarte's new Big Ego Brow Defining Pen. Don't forget, I've got a huge giveaway coming up. Yes, that's right. 2 of my lucky subscribers are going home with Morphe by James Charles palette. Guys, all you need to do is be subscribed to the channel, click right there, and definitely follow me on Instagram, click right there, and comment down below. Alright guys, I'll contact the winner via Instagram on November 15th. Good luck! Alright guys, let's get into it! Okay, this is a brand new brow product by Tarte and it's called Big Ego. It's called DIY Brow Detailing Pen and I'm excited for this. I picked up the color dark blonde and red hair. I'm hoping this works for me, but we'll see. We're gonna figure it out. Okay guys, I thought let's unbox this together. So all of the brow products I've been trying recently have all been really dark on me. I end up going back to the store, end up taking a lighter shade, so that's why I think I got this one in the dark blonde, because my hair is naturally dark blonde with reddish tones to it, so I thought, okay, let's give it a shot, let's hope for the best. This is what this looks like. It's kind of a larger pen compared to, say, a couple of the other ones on the market. Compared to the Benefit Microfilling Pen or the Fenty Beauty Brow Pen, this one is a very wider and larger to hold, so that might be good. But I just thought I'd show you guys the size difference. It's also, in comparison, about the same size as the Benefit one. Alright. Let's open this up. Okay, it's literally a brush tip. So that's interesting. It's actually like a paintbrush tip, but it's very fine and angled. Let's try this out on my wrist. Okay, so you get a very fine line with it. I'm not hating on it. Okay. Okay guys, let's try this out on my brows and see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm just going to line the bottom of my brow like I always do. I don't know if I love the undertone to this shade. The pen itself is really cute. Okay guys, I've got one brow done. Tell me what you guys think. I think it looks really natural. I don't know if I'm living for the undertone for this particular color, but I do like the color. But yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do the other eyebrow, and I will be right back. Okay guys, this looks effortless and flawless. I'm living for this. Like this, honestly, is such a good little brow tool and I love it. Like this little new pen from Tarte, so good. So good. Love it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with my spoolie from Natasha Denona and I'm just going to feather them out and I'll be right back. What do you guys think? I'm loving this new Tarte DIY brow pen and this is amazing for detailed work. I was worried about it in the beginning because it's so large and kind of paintbrush-like, but it's amazing. Like, this is stunning. The result is stunning. The color's growing on me. I absolutely love it. Like, the whole thing. Like, I love it, love it, love it. And I would 100% recommend this. This is really easy to use for beginners. I completely recommend it. I'm giving it gold stars all of the way. I totally think I'm gonna have to do a beauty battle on my brow pen from Benefit and this one, because this one is so good, right? Alright guys, let me know if you want to see that in the comments down below. Hey guys, if you love this video, remember to smash that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, till next time, live, love, lip gloss.